Good afternoon, both of you.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. इतना कहने के बाद इतने सारे
Good afternoon, sir.
so only two students.
Yes. Yes, I was telling what we are. Share the screen with you. When I share the screen and I tell you what time starts now, when it is this word.
After constructions, we have done till which question?
When I
19.
We've done till question number 9.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
say stop, stop,
So now we have to do question 10.
The
Question 10. It is again of the same type, but thoda sa change. I will tell you what is different in question number 10.
two lines, but the condition is for writing to be all right, then how you write two copies, exactly how you want to write. Okay? So you have to copy. All right. Other than
Question number 10. This is construct a triangle ABC in which AB is equal to 7 centimeter. Triangle ABC in which AB is equal to 7 centimeter.
yes.
AB 7 centimeters, angle A 45 and angle C 70.
Sharing the screen, the please have patience. Please have patience. I'm just telling you.
Angle A 45 degrees and angle C 75 degrees.
I'm sharing the screen.
So this is again of the same type. It is again of the same
The
type.
time starts now. Yes.
It is again of the same type. Now what?
Yes, I'm sending the same picture on a group.
How will you identify? There are two angles and one side. Again, it is of the same type, but there is a little difference is there. क्या difference है? Which side is given? AB. Side AB is given. यहाँ पर आपको एंगल A and एंगल C दिया है. जो साइड आपको यहाँ पर given है. The side which is given is AB. Side which is given is AB. तो AB के साथ वाले एंगल्स आपको गिवन होने चाहिए. सेम एंगल्स आपको गिवन होने चाहिए AB के साथ वाले. AB के साथ के कौन से एंगल्स होंगे? एंगल A and angle B. These angles should be given, but here angle B is not given. So this is a problem in this case. Angle B is not given, but what we can do, we can use angle sum property to find angle B. Can we use angle sum property to find angle B? Yes. If we find
Yes,
angle
sir.
B, method to draw this figure. Okay, so I'm finding angle B first. Angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degrees. ASC. Angle sum property. What is angle A? 45. Angle B, you have to find angle C 75. And sum is 180. So if you solve this equation, you will get angle B equals to 60 degree. The angle B value 60 degree value. Now, do we know both the angles which are connected to this side? Side AB से जो connected दोनों angles हैं क्या हमको पता है या नहीं पता? We know angle A 45 and we know angle B also, which is 60. Can we draw the figure in the same manner now? ड्रॉ करिए, जैसे हमने क्वेश्चन 9 और 8 किए थे बिल्कुल सेम वैसे ही करना।
Sir.
Draw it and then you also if you have any doubt you can ask. Okay, draw it. Beta, if you face any problem, you can ask. I hope you are doing it.
Sir, only we both. Sir, from now, 0 period will be taken by you only.
Yes, this week I will be taking your 0 period till Saturday. After that, most probably your
Sir,
class.
AB will be in bottom.
Yeah, AB you have to draw in the base and then make angle A. Just construct angle A and angle B. आपको दो angle construct करने हैं, angle A and angle B. सबसे पहले AB draw करो, then construct angle A and construct angle B in the bottom only, at the base only. So after that, you will see when you complete your triangle, you will see that angle C will automatically come 75 degrees. Angle C अपने आप 75 आएगा. Okay. You don't have to construct. You automatically come 75.
I hope everyone writing neatly and not in a hurry.
Okay, have you all done? Both of you, not all, both of
Yes,
you.
sir.
Did the question. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Sir,
Let's do the
Sir,
second.
how can I find the base side?
Sorry. How can we?
Sir, what can be? Sir, how can we find the base
Base of what? In this
of
form,
triangle?
in this case,
Yes, sir.
I think you have not understood
Yes,
how
sir.
to look at the board. First, you will draw AB as the base. AB for base.
yes,
What is the length of
sir.
AB? Draw AB in the base, then construct angle A 45 degrees. So मैं direct बना दे रहा हूँ. I am making it directly. You have to construct it using compass. So 45 degree angle A बनाएंगे. This is 45. And then construct angle B 60 degrees. Angle B 60 degrees, something like this. So the point of intersection of these two lines, this point, this is C. ये आपका C आ जाएगा. So it will look something like this triangle that you are making. Now, important thing here is that if you measure angle C, suppose if you have constructed these two angles properly, Then if you measure angle C, you will see that angle C will be 75 degrees. Automatically, it will come 75. Got it? Understood what I'm trying to say? Ayush.
Yes, sir.
Fine. Okay, next question number 11. Question number 11. Done this?
Then the right thing, okay, so the first one is after that.
Raj, have you done? Raj, तुमने कर लिया?
Yes, sir. Sir, Raj.
20 minutes to
हाँ,
write.
Raj नहीं बोला?
Okay.
Can I call you
नहीं नहीं
Raj?
राज नहीं नहीं sir. Okay, I'm fine with that.
And okay. Question 11.
What about the others?
Sir, what do we
Sorry.
nothing.
Construct a triangle ABC in which BC is equal to 4.8, angle C 90, and AB is equal to 6.3 centimeters. Okay. So this is a little different than the others. This is the fourth type of questions. Okay, I will explain what is different in this. So first of all, BC 4.8. Triangle ABC you have to construct this. BC 4.8 centimeters.
Okay, you finish the second one on that.
Angle C you have to take
You have to
90
take
degrees.
number. Go on, write it right away.
Angle C 90 degrees. Then AB you have to take 6.2. Maybe 6.3 centimeters. So this you have to construct this triangle. Now, if you notice this triangle, angle C is 90 degrees, and two other sides are given. The one of the sides, this one. If angle C is 90, can you tell me AB is the hypotenuse or not? The hypotenuse of the triangle. AB.
Yes, sir, he will hypotenuse.
So one angle is given 90 degrees, right angle, that means right angle, and this is hypotenuse, and this is another side. So what is the type of this question? This is RHS, right angle hypotenuse side. So it is the fourth type, case 4. Let's first draw a rough figure. Rough figure बना लेते हैं. This is C. I will take BC in the base. BC is 4.8. 4.8. Angle C will be 90. Angle
Yes,
C,
you have to check it again.
angle C will be 90. And AB you have to draw 6.3. How to do it? This is the rough figure. First, you draw BC of 4.8 centimeter. It is very simple to construct. One of the easiest. First, construct EB of 4.8 centimeters equals C. Clear? Both of you, do you know that how to construct a 90-degree angle? मैंने अभी सिखाया
sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. 60, 90, फिर 9, 6,
90.
Do you know how to construct 90?
Hmm.
Yes.
Sir, what are you saying?
मैं कह रहा हूँ, do you know that
Yes, sir.
how to construct 90 degrees?
Sir, with the compass?
Yeah, with the help of a compass.
Yes, sir, it's easy. Wait, I'm sure.
You have to construct 90 degrees. I'm telling one more time. You
Okay.
draw a line from C like this. Then you draw 60 degree.
Sir, I know.
And cut an arc like this. This will be 60.
Then the
Then if you cut an arc, this will be 120. And this will be 120. How you bisect 60 and 120? For 120 to bisect. Keep your compass at this point. You are going to compass to this point. And then make an arc to this side. And then keep your compass at this point. 120 वाला point है, ये वाला जो point है, this is 120. यहाँ पर रखिए and then you take this side. So this what you have done is you have bisected 60 and 120. 60 for 120 to bisect. So if you join this now, this will form a 90-degree angle. 90 degrees. Okay.
yes, sir.
When you see the like this, and
India
now
में पाएंगे.
what is the length of AB? AB is 6.3 centimeters. You have to construct AB of 6.3. So in your compass, you will take 6.3. Compass में measure कर लेंगे with the help of scale 6.3 centimeters you will measure. Okay. 6.3 you will take.
Sir.
Then keep your compass at point B. Keep your compass at point B. B पर रखिए and then 6.3. Keep your compass at point B. Keep your compass at point B and then make an arc this side. यहाँ से ऐसे करके आगे बढ़ेंगे 6.3 centimeter distance पर. So this point will be this will be point A. Okay. Now you join it. Finally, you have to join it. This completes your triangle ABC. Clear?
Sir.
Do it. Make it.
Sir, done.
बेटा आशीष एंड शोभना आप क्लास ज्वाइन करने अब आयो, आपके आने का फायदा क्या है ये बताओ मुझे. आप ये सोच रहे हैं दिमाग में कि अगर हम लास्ट के 10 मिनट में आगे टपक जाएंगे क्लास के बीच में तो मैं अटेंडेंस लगा दूंगा, ऐसा होने वाला नहीं है. जितने भी सिर्फ ये 2 बच्चों को अटेंडेंस मिलेगी इस क्लास में, ओनली आयुष अग्रवाल एंड राजनंदिनी. बाकी जितने भी है इफ यू आर ज्वाइनिंग एट दिस टाइम, यू आर ज्वाइनिंग लास्ट के 10 मिनट रह गए, नाउ यू आर ज्वाइनिंग द क्लास.
Excuse me, sir.
यस
सर जो पहले क्लास हुई थी ना, फर्स्ट क्लास,
Yes.
no sorry, fourth class, in that actually I forgot to mark my attendance on the group.
नो प्रॉब्लम, लगा दिया मैंने.
Sir, if the answer is wrong by 1 to 2 degree, you will cut the marks.
No, if there is an error of 1 or 2 degrees, I will.
Yes, sir.
If there is an error of 1 or 2 degrees, I will not deduct the marks. Okay.
Sir, done.
Very good. Okay, now try question number 12. It is of the same type. Try it on your own. Question 12. बिल्कुल same है. Okay. उसमें you have to identify the hypotenuse. Hypotenuse जो है that side you don't have to take in the base. Hypotenuse को base में नहीं लेना है. I have not taken hypotenuse in the base. ध्यान से देखिए. जो दूसरी वाली जो साइड गिवन है आप उसको मैंने बेस में बनाया है. तो always follow this. Don't draw
Okay, sir.
hypotenuse in the base in these type of questions. Okay. First you identify what is the type of the question and then you do accordingly.